Hey y'all, welcome back. I wanted to explain really quickly why I wrote point slope form the way I did in the last two videos that I posted. I've had a few people ask me about this and I wanted to explain why. So I wrote point slope as y equals y1 plus m times x minus x1. Okay. No, that is technically not the exact way to write point slope form. But you'll notice it's going to be the same exact thing as the standard way to write point slope. Point slope form is usually introduced as y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now, in the video that we were doing, we were connecting finding your y-intercept from point slope to connect that to slope-intercept form. With slope-intercept form, you are solving for y. For point slope, this is the standard way. However, I did not write it this way. Now, both of these are mathematically correct. They're equivalent to each other. The second one is just the first one already solved for y. So if we were to actually work this out and solve for y, what I'm going to need to do is add y1 to both sides. When I do that, I'm going to get y equals y1 plus m times x minus x1, which is exactly what I got up here. Nothing changes about the math or the line. We just rewrote it in a form that's easier to use. So for the problem that looked like this one right here, I write it this way because it's easier for students to substitute the values in. It connects it directly to slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, and it reinforces the idea of starting at the point and then use the slope. So if you see point slope written any other way, know that they're both correct. One highlights the structure and one highlights the usability. I like to highlight the usability. Same math, the same line, just a different presentation of it.